In this video, I'm going to go over how I got better at reading price action, how I built confidence and conviction in my ability to read price, how I can come into the market and identify a bias that I have, and yeah, just how I got better at reading price and building confidence in my ability to read price. So this is really the main thing that I did to, I wouldn't say become profitable, because there's many things I did to become profitable, but this is what really gave me a lot of confidence that continues to give me confidence when I am coming into the market and looking to take a trade. But let's just go over. So what I would do I would just scrunch up price. Let's go on the 1 hour. Just scrunch up price so you don't spoil it to yourself what price is going to do. And go in replay mode and pick a random date. So let's just go here. Yeah, we can go back one more time. Let's go over here. What is he doing? Okay, and then I'd basically just like nerd the fuck out over price. Just geek out completely, just calling out everything I can, what I think price is gonna do. And I'm gonna explain this in ICT terms right now, but I mean, really, you can do this with any strategy. You're just gonna have to adjust it for yourself. But the concept of reading price is still pretty much the same. But I hope this is entertaining, because I definitely enjoy reading price this way. And I think if you're not able to just like read price and enjoy it, I don't know if you're going to be a successful trader, honestly. But let's just get started. So what am I looking at right now? Well, we're expanding up. It looks like we're going to go to all-time highs. Looks like we're going to expand back to all-time highs. We have all this generated buy-side liquidity, and we're making displacing moves higher. This looks like a clear market maker buy model on a higher time frame, so I'd expect buy-side of the curve to play out back to all-time highs, most likely. But for right now, we kind of have this large bullish imbalance. I'd want to see some form of manipulation before continuing higher. But we'll just have to see what price does for right now. Kind of just want to let price do its thing till I see something clear. Okay, we had a little manipulation move at these lows and continuing to expand higher. I could probably take a long there if it's around market open. Let's go on the 1 hour. So yeah, we put in a very weak wick. Sweep out this low. This looks like it might even be news, honestly. It's at 8. Could be like data. 8:30 data. And then from there, we expand off of it. So I just expect us to continue to respect bullish imbalances from here. Okay. Coming into the bullish imbalance, expand off of it. Yeah. We are aggressively attacking all-time highs. Okay, we take out all-time highs. Now from here, we could just continue to expand this higher, but I'd want to see some form of retrace, manipulation, something back into this bullish imbalance before continuing off of it. But until I see that happen, I'd just be really patient. Just let price do its thing. Okay, we're kind of coming into this now. I'd want to see us expand this. We're still not too deep into it, so I'd want to see us go lower. Okay, there's manipulation, and we kind of get a change in the state here, so it looks like we might just go to the highs. Okay, not yet, I guess. Sweep the low again. Very large wick, but it closes super weak, so I mean, I'd probably expect now we go to all-time highs. See what we do. Okay, we take out this internal high. I mean, I wouldn't be touching this at all, just because we took out all-time highs and we're kind of consolidating. Nothing's super clear. Okay, there we go. Now we go to all-time highs. I mean, still, I wouldn't really be touching it. It's not very clean. It's not very clean at all. Okay. Manipulate this low. I mean, let's just skip forward, because this is pretty ugly price. I don't really like trading all-time highs. Okay, we're building out a lot of sell-side liquidity within here. Okay. we have like these equal lows and we got a displacing move down that looks like a change in the state. I'd want to see if we respect this, and I kind of want to see us expand to these equal lows, sweep out some of this liquidity coming into this bullish imbalance. Let's see what happens though. Okay, there we go. We're getting strong moves. Okay, we take these lows. I'd probably think we continue here, but we could just turtle soup this and go back to the highs. But let's see what happens. I'd probably want to see a retrace into these bearish imbalances regardless of if we're going lower or higher. Okay. We put in a high. Sweep out the high. Okay. Pushing up. Okay, so it looks like we're going back to all-time highs. Because of course we're doing that. Let's just see though. Okay, we sweep out. No, we don't sweep those lows. Okay, this is pretty ugly price action right now. I don't really see much. Okay, but what did we do in this move? We were just generating. There was no buy side liquidity within here. We had this high and this high, and that was it. What do we do on this move? Well, we put in a high, many highs within here. We were generating buy side liquidity for us to later sweep all of that out. And also on the way up, we were putting in sell side liquidity to make a move lower. So now we do hunt this low. I'd probably, if I would take a trade, it'd have to be a retrace and then continuation down, but we might just take it. And we just take it. So now I'd want to see, okay, I'm noticing all of this generated buy side liquidity up here. We just swept out this pretty major low. Are we going to continue to get displacement through it, or are we going to reverse off of it? Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, we're displacing pretty low now. Oh, now we get a bullish candle. So, why get off my screen? I can zoom in. Okay, so we had a pretty strong bearish move down and we immediately inverse it. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, the drawn liquidity is probably higher than. We probably went as low as we need to go, and now we're going to expand probably back to all-time highs. We generated all this buy-side liquidity. It would make sense that we're going to go higher. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'd like to see us get nice closure through this. Okay, we pull back. Internal manipulation right here. See what happens from here now. Okay, we get a change in the state of delivery right here. And I want to see us push off of this now. Okay, what do we do? Okay, we're still not pushing up just yet. Generating more buy-side liquidity. And there we go. We get a nice move up to this high. Put in an equal high, and then we take it. And I would expect us just to run through all this, to be honest. There's so much generated buy-side liquidity within this. Let's see what happens. Yep, and we run straight through it. Yeah, but that makes sense, doesn't it? The first time we tried to go take it, there's no buy-side liquidity generated within here. There's one single high. We made this whole move down. We put in one high here, and we put in one high here. There's only two real highs within this move. So instead of taking it immediately, what price does is it generates liquidity on the way down for us to then make a move later to then take that liquidity and take out this high, because there's more people short in here. There's more reason for us to go through here. That makes sense? See, how long have I been recording? Why does it not tell me? Almost 10 minutes. So, I mean, that's basically the whole premise of it, is literally just reading, just like everything you see, just calling it out loud, being a fucking trading geek, and explaining to yourself why price is moving the way it's moving. And yeah, this is literally how I got better at reading price, how I'm able to come into the market and have a strong bias and be confident that not only can I come into the market with a strong bias, but if I need to adjust my bias on the fly, I know my mental trading ability is able to do that because I've already put in the hours, right? And because I enjoy this. This is enjoyable for me. If you don't enjoy doing this, maybe trading isn't for you. Maybe you should find another skill that is leverageable like trading, but like do social media or something. Start a business. If you don't enjoy doing this, I don't think you should be a day trader. This was enjoyable for me. Like this, I would do this for a few hours. I could do it and the time would just fly by because I'm in like a flow state while doing this. And you can't do this when you're first starting out trading, but I'm 3 years in now. I know what I'm looking for when I come to the charts. I know how to read price now. I've put in the hours, so I can read price and I can still learn more things. But that's the basics of how I got better at reading price action, how I built confidence and conviction in my trading abilities, and how I know that I am going to be a profitable trader. Because I'm still not a profitable trader. I'm still trying to teach you guys, and I'm not even a profitable trader. But I know that I actually am. And it's just a matter of time until it shows, because I am not even putting any money into this right now. So that's all for this video. I hope this was enjoyable to just listen to me fucking nerd the fuck out. I don't know if this is going to be enjoyable for you to watch at all, but if you did stay till the end, I appreciate you a lot. Leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.